2008. I am with Mark van Rooyen, marketing manager from Rademaker. Rademaker is a company producing equipment for bakery and confectionery from Holland. Mark, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What about the lines you are displaying at IBA?
We have several lines at the IBA that we present this year. We mainly focus on two aspects, fully industrial lines and medium capacity or compact production lines.
What about the lines we have behind us?
What you see behind me is an industrial pastry line. That is a production line shaping the pastries into the final products. The line is capable of running many different products. The flexibility of the line was one of the key items for developing this line, as well as hygienic design and flexible tool changeover. User friendliness is really kept into this line because we have a system developed unique fit tooling. And that way the tools for changeovers can be only placed in the line on one way. So therefore the operator cannot make an error changing over the tools. So that will save them quite some time and the efficiency.
I've learned that this line, for example, has a very low noise. So it's very suitable for the operator.
During the process or in factories, noise is always an aspect, an item. You want to develop machines that are on the lowest noise level possible. So that is something that we are working on definitely.
Mark, Rademaker is famous worldwide since many years for the lines, very big lines for producing bakery. What about smaller line?
Yeah, during this IBA we introduced two different smaller capacity production lines that are really dedicated to the mid-sized bakery.
Let's take a look. Yep. Mark, what about this other line?
Yeah, the line behind us is a multifunctional pastry and croissant line for smaller bakeries. So smaller capacities than a fully industrial pastry line can be made on this line.
What about the features?
What we've developed is a special croissant tool that we're standing in front of. That module can be placed on the line so that the customer doesn't have to buy a croissant line when he wants to produce croissants as well. If he is producing pastry and he wants to add croissants to his product portfolio, then you can put this module, place it in line, and that way you are multifunctional with the products that you can make.
So with just one line, they can produce different kind of products?
Yeah, all kind of pastries, rolled, folded, cut pastries, but also now croissants.
Okay, thank you, Mark. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.